Hi, what's your name?
My name is Gyanendra Kargi.
Gyanendra.
Yes.
Okay, I show you the video, yes?
Okay.
You have to move your hands fast. They want to see that how fast you move your hands, okay? Come, make it. Okay, can you carry that jar also?
Okay.
That is 20 liter, right?
Okay, 20 liters.
You can carry it easily?
Yeah.
Okay, no, keep it back also. Okay, done.